Have you ever felt tired? Just from making too many small decisions, even before your day really starts. What should I wear today? Why does this feel harder than it should? Coffee or tea? It's a small choice. But it still takes effort. Reply to emails now. Or later. Your brain keeps going back and forth. Every small choice uses mental energy, like a battery slowly draining. By midday, your brain starts feeling drained. You feel tired. Even without doing much. This is called decision fatigue, and it happens to everyone. When your brain is tired, decisions get worse. You stop thinking carefully, you start choosing the easiest option, even if it's not the best one, or you avoid deciding at all. You just feel stuck. Even successful people face this problem. They don't rely on willpower alone. That's why many simplify their choices. They remove unnecessary decisions. Fewer decisions means more mental energy, and better focus on what matters. Save your brainpower for the decisions that truly matter, not the small, daily ones. So next time you feel mentally exhausted, don't blame yourself. Remember, your brain just made too many decisions today. Sometimes, the best choice is to simplify.